Hey everyone, this is Nourin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 12th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. Today we are going to talk about an important skill that usually gets excluded in language learning. That is writing. Don't skip this thinking that writing isn't important in learning English. Writing can help you speak fluently in English. Actually, writing can do wonders. It can be a game changer in your language learning. Today, I am here to show you how writing can help you improve your English speaking. Why writing is important? Many of you focus on reading, listening, speaking, but let go of writing. You know what? Writing plays a crucial role in language learning. It's not just about writing diary or essays. It's about organizing your thoughts, improving your grammar, and also improving your vocabulary. Writing can help you improve your sentence structure. It can help you understand how grammar can be used in a sentence properly. It can also help you introduce new words and phrases into your daily talking. Let's make writing fun and practical. In this video, we will discuss practical tips to improve your writing skill. We will divide your writing time into sections and we will use this writing period effectively. Practical writing exercises to get started. Exercise 1. Daily journal for 5 minutes. A great way to start writing is by keeping a daily journal in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, your plan for tomorrow, or even a summary of what you learned. But try to keep it simple. Just write 1 or 2 paragraphs. That's enough. And a tip I want to share here is don't worry about making mistakes because this is your private space. No one is going to look into it. So you can write anything and don't worry if you make any mistakes here. Try using the words and phrases that you already know and gradually improve your vocabulary. Start with something that you are already familiar. Second exercise, 10 minutes twice a week creative writing. Use creative prompts to practice writing. It's a fun and engaging way to learn English. I'll share a few topics that you can use. Write about a memorable day in your life. Or imagine you're traveling to a new country. Describe what you do and see. Get creative. Pause this video, choose a prompt and write about it. Write a short paragraph. It's a great way to build your creativity in English. Third exercise, writing emails. 5 minutes once a week. It's like medicine, right? Once a week, twice a week. Okay, this is actually a good medicine to improve your English. So coming back to emails, practice writing a simple email in English. It could be a simple informal email to your friend or a formal email to a company. What you should focus here is the language. Your language should be clear and proper. Emails are actually great because they give you practice with both formal and informal languages. If you want, you can also try writing letters. Like the old days, you write letters, right? So such way, try to write letters if you are interested in writing letters. Fourth exercise, story writing practice. 15 minutes once a week. Try writing short stories in English. It doesn't have to be long, just few paragraphs. You can describe a favorite childhood memory or a recent trip, or even you can make up a fun story. This helps in expanding your vocabulary and building confidence. Now, I'll give you an activity. Pause this video and try to write a few sentences of a story. Try to include any vocabulary you learned recently, like something you learned today or yesterday or before yesterday. Try to use those vocabulary into your story. This is how you should actually practice in writing your story when you're writing some other time. Try to include the vocabulary that you learned recently. Also, try to add dialogues. This can help in your conversation improvement. So those are the 4 exercises that you can try in writing. If you have any exercises in writing that you practice, please don't hesitate to comment it down. Okay, now let's see some common mistakes that we make while writing English. And let's see how to fix them. The first one is overcomplicating sentences. Many beginners try to use complex sentences to sound advanced in English. You are just a beginner and you can actually use short sentences, simple English words. It's actually okay to start with simple short sentences. As you gain confidence, you can improve your sentence structures. You can make your sentence more longer. So always try to start with short sentences. Second mistake is direct translations from your native language. It's normal to think in your native language, but when you translate each word of the native language into English, it sounds awkward. So try to avoid direct translations. Focus on expressing the ideas the way they would be said naturally in English. Third mistake, spelling mistakes. I know these spelling mistakes comes a lot when we write in English. Spellings in English can be tricky, so make use of tools like spell checkers. You can use dictionaries or online platforms like Google or apps like Grammarly to get your spellings corrected. How can you develop a consistent writing habit? Just try to be consistent in writing. Even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes, write something daily. You can build a habit this way, and also you can improve your English. When you write, you get enough time to think. You can think each word and you can write. You can search for better words, better phrases. You can organize your thoughts. You can read the sentence and see if its sentence structure is proper. You can check for grammars. You can learn spelling. You can get a lot of benefit just by writing English. So try to make it a habit. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Writing is a journey, and every mistake you make is a step closer to getting better. So guys, this is all about writing. Share a short writing of yours in the comment section. I'd love to read it. I hope this video was useful for all of you. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.